Good afternoon. Today we are working on a 2016 Mercedes S550. This is the W222, and we are replacing a rear window switch where several of the buttons were broken. The first step is to remove the switch. We are using a plastic trim tool to avoid damaging the bezel or door panel. It pops out quite easily. Now, we are going to press down and gently remove the wires. Next step is to use your trim tool to gently pry the plastic clips on the bezel to release the switch. There are 4 clips. Now, you can reverse the process and insert your replacement switch. These seem to be all over eBay with new items. In my case, I purchased a second-hand switch as I didn't feel comfortable with some unknown manufacturer. These are in the neighborhood of $150 for a new one, and given how easy it is to replace, it might be a fine option to try an inexpensive new one.